Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Heidi. I'm completely blind so I don't look directly at you, but I promise I'm right here with you. Yes, today we are talking about banana fragrances. I have had an influx of 5 banana fragrances over the last, 6 or 5 months, and I would love to share those with you. So, yeah, a bit on the nose, but here are our bananas. Okie dokie. So, I am going to go from the most airy fragrance to the most dense fragrance. I thought that would be a nice way of going about it. And I've just got my notes here for in case I want to read the notes. So, as I said, we've got 5 fragrances here. And this one is Eau de Soleil by Fragrance World. Apparently this was inspired by Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid, and it really has been. So this is a very feminine banana fragrance. This is more floral, feminine, vanilla, and that sort of thing. And then the banana just adds some depth and some interesting aspects to this fragrance. This I would not say is a banana forward fragrance. It's more a fragrance with a banana note, not a banana fragrance with other notes, if that makes sense. This is the one fragrance that smells the least like banana and the most feminine. This is a uber feminine, bright, airy, a little bit sticky, I think thanks to that banana, but really not thick. Beautiful, beautiful fragrance. If you know this one, you know this one. There's pear in here, there's orchid in here. It's just a beautiful fruity floral. Uber feminine. You're not going to smell like a banana with this one. Let me just quickly read the notes. The top notes are banana and pear. The mid is orchid and jasmine sambac, and the base is vanilla and sandalwood. You definitely get that pear, that vanilla, that florals. Just such a pretty girl scent, I would say. The next one, which is next in line for most airy, is Eclair Banoffee. This is very new to my collection. This is a candy banana. You definitely smell vanilla in here, some creaminess in here, but most of all, it is really a candy. That is mostly what you get. This is so fantastically gorgeous. It is not thick to my mind. It is not cloying. It is sweet, but it is still airy. And you just get that banana candy sweet. You know those hard candies, those hard banana candies. That is what I get with this one. Beautiful fragrance. So let's read the notes. In Eclair Banoffee, there's banana and dulce de leche. Hope I pronounced that right. In the mid, there's vanilla and whipped cream. And in the base, there's praline, biscuit and musk. So I get the whipped cream. I get the dulce de leche. I get the vanilla. I don't get biscuit. I really don't. Very, very good. Very, very nice. If you like banana, if you like the smell of banana candies with a bit of creaminess attached to it, you will like that one. So the next one is really a pear. I'm going to do both simultaneously. And this is Sun-Kissed Banana by Zara. Got the wrong one here. And Sweet Banana by Fragrance World. Now, here we are going into deeper territory, I will say denser territory, because these fragrances are, to my mind, fluffy. To my mind and to my nose, with these ones, you get more of I want to say a milkshake, a banana milkshake, but there's still some flowery aspects to it and some nutty aspects to it. Yeah, this is, if I smell this, it smells fluffy. Fluffy, sweet, more thick than banoffee, and very good. So this is not a candy. This is a milkshake. This is a bit thicker, a bit creamier, a bit coconutty. I think in this one, in Fragrance World, there's coconut, and in this one, there's almond. But to my nose, it smells so much alike. I would say that the Fragrance World one, Sweet Banana, is a tiny bit more dense and a tiny bit sweeter than the Sunkissed Banana. Sunkissed Banana is a tiny bit airier or more airy, and also a tiny bit more musky. But they are both really on the same level. If I was forced to choose, I would probably choose Fragrance World Sweet Banana. Also very, very nice. Let me actually read the notes. So Sunkissed Banana has, let me see, banana, meringue and almond. And the Fragrance World one, let's see, has banana, pear in the top, banana and pear, in the heart coconut and jasmine, and in the base vanilla and sandalwood. So the note sounds very much the same as Eau de Soleil. To me it smells nothing alike, to be honest. Very, very nice. Very nice. Oh, I love that. Okay. And then last but not least, we have Banana Bliss by the Ministry of Gourmand, by Paris Corner. So this is the thickest, the most dense of them all. This smells to me like a banana bread, like there's a banana bread baking in the oven with a bit of nuttiness as well. You've decided to add some nuts to your, perhaps macadamia nuts, to your banana bread. Oh, it's even sweeter than I remember it. Yeah, this is so good, but this is so thick. It is so rich. I cannot imagine wearing this in summer. If you've ever smelled Creamy Biscuit by the Ministry of Gourmand, this is the same, but just with banana added. So, so good. Okay, let's read the notes of that one. So, yeah. Top notes is banana. In the heart there's whipped cream and coconut, also coconut. And in the base there's tonka bean, spun sugar and vanilla. So that nuttiness can come from probably the tonka bean or the coconut. I don't know, but it smells like a sort of a macadamia nut to me. Very nice, very thick, bready, biscuity. So I think that has been quite short, but hopefully that has given you an idea. Just to go over that, this is Banana Bliss with a bready, dense, thick banana note. This is Fragrance World Sweet Banana and Sunkissed Banana by Zara, which reminds me more of a banana milkshake with a bit of floral notes in there. And then Banoffee, which is a banana candy fragrance, And then the Eau de Soleil, which is just a feminine fragrance, and the banana is really not the star of the show. It just plays a supporting role in this fragrance. So I hope this has been helpful. I wanted to rank these, but really I couldn't decide which one I like more. I think if I've been forced to really make a decision, I would probably firstly go with Fragrance World Sweet Banana, and second with Banoffee by Eclair. But you have to love banana to like these fragrances. I think with Eau de Soleil, you still can get away with not liking the smell of banana, but with the rest, you really have to like the smell of banana. Oof, now I've said a lot banana. Anywho's, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please let me know if you've got any of these, if you have your eye on any of these. I heard someone told me in the comment section the other day that Juliette Has a Gun, I think it's Juliette Has a Gun, is coming out with a new banana fragrance. I would love, love, love to smell that, since I've recently discovered a store here in South Africa that sells Juliette Has a Gun. So I'm very excited about that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as always. Until next time, bye for now.